Hello friends, this is the second lecture of trigonometric functions. In the last lecture, we have seen the principal solution of trigonometric equation. Now, in this session, we will see the general solution of a trigonometric equation. What is the general solution? The solution of a trigonometric equation, which is generalized by using its periodicity, is called the general solution. For example, all the solutions of the equation sin theta is equal to 0, just like it that. From the graph, look at the figure of the sine graph. The graph cuts x-axis into the points minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi. That means these points are the solutions of this equation sin theta is equal to 0. And therefore the solution in pi is the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0. From the graph, one can easily conclude that this is the general solution. Now we see the theorem. General solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to alpha, where n is an integer. As given that sin theta is equal to alpha, so one can easily say that alpha is the solution of that equation. Also, from allied angle formula for second quadrant, we can write sin pi minus alpha is equal to sin alpha. So one can easily pi minus alpha is also solution, and using its periodicity, we conclude that sin theta is same as sin alpha. After one complete rotation of an angle, sin alpha is same as sin 2 pi plus alpha is equal to same sin 4 pi plus alpha, that is equal to, and so on. And we know that pi minus alpha is also solution, so we replace alpha is replaced by pi minus alpha, and therefore we get here alpha is replaced by pi minus alpha, and we get here 3 pi minus alpha, and here we get for 5 pi minus alpha, and so on. And therefore from the figure we conclude that after one complete rotation, sin theta is same as sin theta plus 2 pi, theta plus 4 pi, sin theta plus 6 pi, and so on, and which is also this result is also same as clockwise direction. Therefore sin theta is equal to sin alpha if and only if theta is equal to alpha, 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, and so on, or theta is equal to pi minus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, 5 pi minus alpha, and so on. Therefore theta is equal to, theta gets the values alpha, pi minus alpha, 2 pi plus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 5 pi minus alpha, and so on. And this can be written as, alpha can be written as 0 into alpha plus minus 1 raised to 0 alpha. Pi minus alpha can be written as pi plus minus 1 raised to 1 into alpha, like this. And therefore the general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha. We can generate all the solutions from this formula. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. This result is holds. This result holds for all integers, positive integers, and similarly we can prove that the negative integers for anti-clockwise directions. Now we see the example. Find the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0. We know that the sin 0 is equal to 0. That therefore we get here sin theta is equal to sin alpha. By above theorem, we have the formula for that equation, and we get the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi. Now next example, find the general solution of sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Write in place of root 3 by 2 sin pi by 3, because sin pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2, sin 60. Now by above theorem, sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to alpha, where n belongs to z, The general solution of sin theta is equal to sin pi by 3 is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 3, and therefore this is the solution. Now next example, we get for minus value, again minus sin theta is equal to minus sin pi by 3, and from allied angle formula for the third quadrant, psi pi plus 3 a is equal to minus sin a. Therefore we can write here minus sin pi by 3 is equal to sin pi plus pi by 3. Therefore sin 4 pi plus 4 pi by 3, and we get here sin theta is equal to sin alpha. And from the formula of general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha, one can easily write down. Simple, simplest example. Now again cosec theta is equal to 2. We have cosec theta is equal to 2, that is 1 upon sin theta is equal to 2. Therefore sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore sin theta is equal to pi by 6, sin pi by 6, because sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Now by above theorem we have sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to alpha. Therefore the general solution is only replaced by alpha by pi by 6. Therefore cosec theta, general solution of cosec theta is like this. Next example, sin 4 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Similar as above, we get here sin 4 theta is equal to sin pi by 3, and therefore the 4 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 3, and therefore theta is equal to n pi by 4 plus minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2. This is the, by using this formula we can easily solve this type of this example. This is the homework for you. For first example, refer example 2, and second example refer example 3, and third example refer example 5. Hello, thank you. In friends, in the next lecture we shall see the general solution of, see the formula, general solution of sin cos theta is equal to cos alpha and tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Thank you.